this is huge, enormous amount of grapes. There's one, and look at this one over here. This one's even bigger. I can't even hold it in my hand. It's giant. Wow.
What's up, everyone? What we're doing today is we're going to be growing grapes up the south-facing wall. We're going to be building a new trellis and lattice work, but first let me show you what I have temporarily. See, I added this bamboo with these little clips. You can see these little clips here. I got about 4 of them nailed up. That holds the bamboo in place. And then I grew the grapevine up around the bamboo because eventually I want to grow it around the window. This side of the house gets a lot of sun. So if you look up here, the sun comes right down on this wall all day long and along this south-facing wall. Let me show you over here what I have started. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build a more permanent structure, and I'm gonna do it out of this composite lumber. It's actually a PVC polymer coated AZEK decking board, and I just ripped it down into 1-inch pieces. I start on the top, and I'll do 1 nail on the top of the trellis, and then I'll flip it over and we'll do like 5 more nails to make sure this is really solid. So on the front, I just do 1 nail. That's so it's a little more inconspicuous and you don't see a bunch of nails. So I'll first tack it together, and I got a 3-inch overhang on all the edges. So this grape trellis is designed to go up and around a window. This is why there's an opening I have in the middle. But depending on what you have and the size of your wall, you can make this any size you feel like. Now I flip over the trellis and I will nail off from the back side about 5 nails at each connection. Okay, I took this grapevine down temporarily. Just gonna set it out of the way. Okay, check this out. Starting to get this mounted. Now we can either space it off of the wall, so we have like an inch gap, or we can just mount it directly to the wall. So we have color matching screws. This is AZEK, and the screws match exactly. So let's go ahead. I wanna show you how to mount these. What you'll need is a hammer drill with a masonry bit. This is a 5/32 bit. Okay, we have some color matching screws here. Okay, we're gonna just tack this in temporarily before we finish it off. Make sure everything's square, level, plumb. So I want to put 6 screws in. We're going to put one in right here, 1 on each corner, and on this vertical one here up there. So 6 screws should be sufficient. I was going to space it off the wall a little bit, but I think this might be just fine. So I still got to put another screw up top, up there, and one down over at the bottom over here. So what we'll do is pre-drill it. So I'm going about 6 inches up from the bottom. So let's pre-drill a hole. All right. And then the masonry. plugged in our color matching screw. Okay, great. One more up top, and we're gonna be done with this. So we have this long stem right here. Look at this. Look how long this grape vine is right now. It's already like 12 feet long, and it's got some new growth coming out. So this is a good time in the late winter, spring to get this attached. Now this one can be guided upward too as it grows. So we'll have this one grow up this side, and then another one going this direction. All right, so we have this one branch left over from last year. You can see it's about 10 feet from the ground. So this is perfect for this side right here. Okay, we're gonna fish it right under here, weave this around. Okay, that's looking, there we go. Okay, that looks good. It's hooked right there. We're gonna go around again and then go down. Let's wrap this around one more time. So we're gonna go back behind here again. Careful not to break the stems. These are real fragile. Okay, that's looking nice. Okay, now this, I'm gonna train it to go upward, get it to hold itself. Oh yeah, look at that. There we go. Nice. Very nice. There we go. That's a good start. We'll keep an eye on this over the next couple months as it grows. That looks pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, guys. Well, that's just about it. Get out there and grow yourselves some grapes up a south-facing wall. Take advantage of that sunlight. Till next time. See you guys.